Alright, yo, so I'm gonna show you how to get custom alert sounds on Mac. And this is what it sounds like. So I'm gonna show you how to get like a custom one. Alright, so what you're gonna need to do is you're gonna need to find a sound. So I'm gonna just use this sound. And then what you need to do is you need to click on Finder and then click Go Alt Library and then sounds, and then here you have to paste in, but first you need to go to AIFF converter, and so click on this and then drag this into there, MP3 to AIFF, and then convert, and then wait for it to convert. Now download. And then, okay, now that you have the AIFF file, just drag it into there. It doesn't need to be named anything. And then click on System Settings, and then Sounds. And this is mine right now. Yeah. But this is the new one. So yeah. Yeah.